Hey guys, Zop here for TFBTV at SHOT Show 2023. We are at the POF USA booth talking to Lucas about the new Tombstone lever action. Lucas, hoping you could walk us through the rifle.
Sure. We'll start up here. We've got our dual port muzzle brake that is threaded half 28 for suppressors, whatever muzzle attachments. We've got a 16-inch free floated fluted barrel. We've got our 10.5-inch rail, which kind of lends back to our piston system. We've got that kind of modular receiver where it bolts down to the top, so it's nice and secure. We've got a billet receiver. Internals, there's a lot of machine time that goes into this gun. It's gone the lineage of the 1873 Winchester with the toggle. We've got comes with a 20-round magazine. It will take our Phoenix pattern 35-round magazines, and for the states that it's applicable in, we do have a 10-round magazine available. We've got our oversized short throw lever. We've got a 3.5-pound trigger, kind of a hybrid flat trigger. We've got a crossbolt safety. XS ghost ring sights come standard. The Magpul 870 SGA stock, and you know it's a great little package. It shoots really well. It's just fun. It's just a really fun gun.
This is more of a fun project for you guys. You guys are not strangers to doing fun projects.
Right. Yeah. And a lot of this gun is because we can. It's kind of an idea that Frank had before he passed away. He wanted a lever gun, and so we're getting around to it. We've got the Tombstone.
So you guys have kind of replicated a very classic like toggle lock lever action, but just sort of put it into a totally modernized billet style chassis.
Yeah, we borrow on some of our own aesthetic with the rail and everything, and just kind of put our spin on something that we want to do.
So people are going to be upset that it doesn't take Glock mags, but it does take actual mags that you guys have had for your Phoenix series before.
Yes, the mags are competitively priced. They're out there. We are making them, getting them made ourselves, so we're kind of in control of that. So we're trying to keep the price down, keep them plentiful, and yeah.
I think someone will probably ask the question: is it ever going to come in 45 ACP?
Maybe.
Maybe.
A definite maybe.
You're starting down a dangerous road. Is it ever going to come in 40 Smith & Wesson?
I hope not.
Damn. How about 10 millimeter?
Probably not.
Any other colorways coming down the line?
So there'll be more colors eventually. Right now it's just the black, but there's always new things in the works at POF.
Never say never.
Exactly.
Awesome. Thank you, Lucas, for walking us through the rifle.
Not a problem. Thank you.
Thanks, everybody, for watching. Stay tuned. We got a lot of stuff coming still from SHOT Show 2023, TFBTV, and TFB Showtime.